everyone, Hina Wajid here. I have passed my ARDMS SPI with 94% marks and now I am here to help you people. Today we are going to discuss very important MCQs about range equation, pulse echo principle. Okay, now let's start. The range equation is used to determine A. Propagation speed, B. Depth of a reflector, C. Wavelength, D. Attenuation. The right answer here is B. Depth of a reflector. Next, the correct range equation is, the right answer here is B. Depth is equal to speed of sound in the soft tissue multiply go return time divided by 2. Why divided by 2 here? Because it is the total time. Go return time is a total time. The pulse takes to first transmit and then coming back to the transducer. But for the calculation, we only need one-sided time. That's why we divide by 2. And the speed of sound in soft tissue is a constant value, 1540 meter per second or 1.5 millimeter per microsecond, which is known as calibration speed. Next, the 2 in the denominator of the range equation accounts for A. 2 echoes, B. 2 pulses, C. Round trip travel time, D. Harmonic reflections. The right answer here is C. Round trip travel time. Next, the calibration speed in soft tissue is A. 1.45, B. 1.48, C. 1.54, D. 1.6. The right answer here is C. 1.54 millimeter per microsecond, which is equal to 1540 meter per second. Next, the go return time represents A. Time between 2 pulses, B. Round trip travel time of the sound pulse, C. One-way propagation time, D. Frame rate. The right answer here is B. Round trip travel time. Next, the go return time per centimeter of depth in soft tissue is A. 10, B. 12, C. 13 microsecond per centimeter, D. 15. The right answer here is C. 13 microsecond per centimeter. Next, if go return time is 39 microsecond depth, A. 2 centimeter, B. 3 centimeter, C. 4 centimeter, D. 5 centimeter. The right answer here is B. 3 centimeter. We divide 39 by 13. Answer will be 3. Next, the relationship between go return time and depth is A. Inversely proportional, B. Logarithmic, C. Directly proportional, D. Not related. The right answer here is C. Directly proportional. More depth, more go return time. Less depth, less go return time. Next, if the actual propagation speed is lower than 1.54 millimeter per microsecond, how will the echo appear? A. Too shallow, B. Too deep, C. At correct depth, D. Absent. The right answer here is B. Too deep. Because slow speed of sound, it will lead to the late return of the echoes. There will be more time taken and machine will display them deeper. Next, if the propagation speed is faster, how will the echo appear? A. Too shallow, B. Too deep, C. At correct depth, D. Displaced laterally. The right answer here is too shallow. Because of the faster speed, echoes will return soon and machine will display them shallow. Next, the calibration speed 1.54 millimeter per microsecond is stored in the machine as A. User adjustable parameter, B. Fixed constant calibration speed, C. Frequency dependent variable, D. Attenuation factor. The right answer here is B. Fixed, known as the calibration speed. Next, if the go return time is 130 microsecond, what is the reflector depth? A. 5 centimeter, B. 10 centimeter, C. 15 centimeter, D. 20 centimeter. The right answer here is B. 10 centimeter. We divide 130 by 30. Answer will be 10. Next, a system assuming 1.54 millimeter per microsecond speed will misplace echoes if A. Tissues has uniform speed. B. Tissue speed differs. Fat or bone. C. Pulse repetition frequency changes. D. Frequency is high. The right answer here is B. When tissue speed differs. Next, the range equation uses which variables? A. Power and area. B. Frequency and wavelength. C. Speed and time. D. Density and impedance. The right answer here is C. Speed and time. Next, what is the most likely artifact if propagation speed error occurs? A. Mirror artifact. B. Misregistration artifact. C. Shadowing. D. Refraction. The right answer here is B. Misregistration or speed error artifact.